Stop scrolling. Let me show you how to use Adobe Firefly or Adobe Generative Fill for free. Don't pay for Adobe Photoshop. Okay, copy this link. I'm gonna post this in the description. You'll see something like this where you click Explore Firefly. Now we have to go to Generative Fill. So we click generate, and this is where it gives you an option to either upload an image or use one of the demos. So for this one, I am just going to upload an image of Kelowna downtown. And for this particular scenario, we are going to try to change the buildings into skyscrapers. So let's just highlight whatever we have to change. Once it is highlighted, we just describe what we would like. So I'm just gonna write skyscrapers, and in a matter of seconds, you'll see the magic. It's going to give us different options, and we can choose which one looks the best. This is definitely not perfect and not as good as Photoshop. But this tool is absolutely free. You don't need to pay for anything, and it's just amazing how AI is evolving. Thanks for watching.